I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by BitcoinWell.com, the simplest and quickest way to buy Bitcoin in the US or Canada and get it directly into your own self-custody. Check them out today at the links down below.
When you think about Bitcoin, when I explain to people kind of what its value proposition, it's really two things: number go up, excuse me, and freedom go up. And so I think often we downplay the number go up side thing as a Bitcoiner, and often distinguish a Bitcoiner from a Bitcoin investor as the Bitcoin investor just cares about number go up, whereas Bitcoiners care about both the freedom go up and the number go up. So if I just kind of jump into the number go up side, it's of course the fastest horse in the race as far as I'm concerned. It's like materially de-risked since I actually got in 2020. It looks to me like a combination of Apple, Facebook, Amazon's IPOs combined, but you don't have the execution risk or the competition risk. There's no second best. There's no competition. It's absolute digital scarcity. It's the best, and it's the first and best attempt at digital scarcity, and I don't think we'll ever see anything like it again. And so I think the risk-reward ratio is incredibly skewed. It's asymmetric, and if you're effectively at the worst doubling your money or your purchasing power every 4 years, I think that's incredibly compelling. And the reason why I say that is the more you put into Bitcoin, obviously the more you learn about Bitcoin, the more you'll put into Bitcoin, and the more wealth you accrue. And it's not just about accruing wealth for the sake of it. It's about, well, what can we do with that? And so, like, on a personal level, Bitcoin speaks to me and the sort of greedy capitalist side of me, because it's like, I want to do good because I don't think governments are very good at allocating resources. And for some reason, I believe Bitcoiners are going to be much more efficient capital allocators in the future in driving change and creating a world that we want to see. And so when I think about storing my wealth in Bitcoin, I can't wait to have fuck you money, because I don't want to buy things. I don't want to buy new cars and yachts and all that kind of, or trinkets and consumerism and all that stuff. I want to do amazing things. I want to create a legacy. I want to make an impact. And I think Bitcoin enables us to do that like nothing before. And, it's like this generation's opportunity to buy property, as opposed to, the boomers who bought real estate at 3 times median income. We get to buy Bitcoin, and at worst, it doubles every 4 years. You just have to ride the volatility. So super bullish on number go up. And there's been nothing that I've seen over the last 4 years that has dampened my enthusiasm. And, especially after the last 18 months with the institutions coming in, that little bit alone just makes me uber bullish. And so